This guy named his son Dario, not after his father, not after a cricketer, but after the CEO of an AI company. Sounds insane, right? Well, it is until you hear what AI just did for him. It handed him 4 crore rupees. Literally. Back in 2015, he bought 5 bitcoins for about 10 to 15,000 rupees each. But one night, he was high and set a password on his wallet. Next morning, it was gone. And he could not remember it. Not at all. Years pass, Bitcoin's price climbs to 10,000, 50,000, and now 20 lakh a coin. And every time it climbs, his stomach drops a little bit more. So what does he do? He throws money at the problem. He pays for recovery agents, for software that tries billions and billions of password combinations, but unfortunately, nothing works. By 2024, he gives up. He posts on Twitter that he lost his Bitcoin forever. And then 2026 happens. One last desperate attempt. He dumps every file from his old laptop into Claude and types one line. The password is somewhere in these files. Find it. And a few minutes later, Claude finds it. One forgotten wallet file buried under 9 years of digital dust. He opens it. All 5 Bitcoin still there. And by now, they're worth 4 crore rupees. And you can call that overnight. And out of pure shock, he posts that if he ever has a son, he'll call him Dario, the guy who founded this company behind Claude called Rathi.
Anthropic started out as an underdog lab.
Mythos, too powerful to be released to the public.
AI's theoretical capabilities.
Now let's be clear, Claude did not hack his Bitcoin. It did not break any encryption. All it did was do a file search on steroids. See, normal search requires you to search every file by its name. But if you use AI for search, it does not need the name precisely anymore. All it needs is an idea for what you're searching. And this is one of the many reasons I've been a very big fan of Claude. And once you realize how powerful it is, you won't be able to resist using it yourself. What I'm showing you today works on your laptop right now, and there are ways to make it happen for absolutely free. But just a reminder to like this video so that I can keep making these videos in the future. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to do 3 things. Stick around till the end. There's a free way to do it as well. Let's first set up Claude Cowork and see how it works. First, open Claude Desktop and then go to the Cowork tab. Then pick a folder and turn on Work in a folder. Then a permission box pops up asking you for rights to read, edit, delete, and you can just say yes. Don't worry, Claude only sees the folder you have given access to, not your whole computer. And finally, just type in this box whatever you want in plain language. Do you have a messy folder on your computer full of random files all mixed up? I will show you how to clean it up in one go using Claude Cowork. Open the Claude app and click on Cowork mode. Click choose a different folder and find it on your computer. Mine is in the D drive called messy. Select the folder and click allow. Now just type one simple prompt. Tell Claude, this is my messy folder. It has all kinds of files mixed together. Create a separate folder for each file type and arrange every file by its type. Choose the model Sonnet 5 medium and hit enter. Claude checks every file, finds its type, creates a folder for each type and moves every file into the right place. And just like that, it's done. Look at the results. 91 video files sorted, image files, 39 spreadsheets, presentations, audios each in its own folder automatically. Now, when I open the folder, everything is neat and organized. That's it. That is how you can clean up any messy folder using this simple method with Claude Cowork. Now, let's say you want to find every file on your PC related to a customer or someone you know by their photo or just their name. I'll show you, using myself as the example. First, pick a clear photo. This is me. Now go to Claude Cowork. Tell it, hey, this is me, Nivedan Rathi. I want to collect all the data of myself where I have appeared, like all the files that contain my name and all the photos where I am. First, make a list of all of that by analyzing each of the files and then create a new folder to keep all the files copied in that. Then, select the folders where you think your files might be. Claude scans through them. It then asks a few quick questions. What type of files you want? I choose photos and documents, and whether to match your first name, last name, or either. Then, where to save the new folder. I choose downloads, and that's it. Claude finds every file linked to you, photos and documents, and brings them together in one place. Here's another use case. This time, I know a certain kind of file exists somewhere in my folders, but I don't know exactly where. For example, I know I have newsletter subscriber lists saved somewhere. So instead of searching file by file, I just describe what I need to Claude Cowork. I tell it, there are many files that hold my newsletter subscriber list. I know they exist somewhere here, but I can't find them. Can you find them for me? Examine all the files closely, confirm it with me, and then create a final folder with everything. I select the folder to search, choose the Sonnet model, and hit enter. Claude scans through, checking each file. Does this look like a subscriber list? Several files match, saved under different names. Fresh list, active subscribers, last 20 days, and more. It builds a full status breakdown, active, unsubscribed, and more, and sets aside anything that isn't really part of the list, like error logs or unrelated data. It asks where to save the result. I choose the current folder, and Claude creates a newsletter subscriber master list folder with the full CSV and a README explaining the breakdown. That's the power of Claude Cowork. But there is only one problem. It's not free. Well, you can chat in the free tier, but it does not do all of this work by itself. And you need a paid plan in Claude Cowork for you to get all these features. Which brings us to the free alternative to Claude Cowork. On level 1, we have free and fast search. On Windows, everything by Void Tools is almost instant for file names, completely free. Then you can pair it with a tool like DocFetcher, and it will not just search the file names, but also the file contents very fast. However, it doesn't have the intelligence of Claude or other AI tools to search meaning beyond keywords. On level 2, you have the open source version of Claude Cowork. This is something that I'm myself trying out right now. It's called Openwork, and it gives you the AI on local files and desktop for absolutely free. All you need to do is to plug in a free Gemini API key, and it's basically zero cost. If you don't know how to get free Gemini API access, I've linked the guide below to save you some real money. Once you actually feel the difference between asking for a name and just describing an idea, you don't really go back to the lame old school search. If this saved you a headache, hit the like button. And if you find some hidden treasure like the guy from before, you can thank me by sending me a few bitcoins into my wallet.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
See you next time.